the blueprint of Globe Business, since we are a technology company, we are a technology provider, is by showing to you guys our integrated ecosystem. Can I have the slide? Okay. So this is our Globe Business tech stack. So this is the foundation. If you will see, meaning the center of our tech stack is about our connectivity. That is the foundation, the bedrock of the other value-added services we are providing to our clients. Okay. So when we transform, okay, we transform from heavy infrastructure to cloud and software-defined solutions and platforms. So nandyan sila AWS, Google Cloud, Google Workspace, Azure. These technologies are enablers in terms of digital transformation. Okay. So kanina, Gretchen talked about AI. Okay. Right now, when we look at the playbook, okay, the playbook is about digital first. So we're talking about AI. We're talking about automation. We're talking about data intelligence. They used to be the side business, but now they become the core business. Think about Snowflake or Inquiro, a service that we provide across to our clients to give them or to move them to a data-driven decision making. So this is what we're doing. Customer experience become our strategy with personalized, proactive, powered by real-time insight. Because we believe that having the best technology is not enough. It's about effectively integrating this technology across all the business. When we launch our tech stack, hindi kami tumigil doon. No? We complement it with our services. First quarter of this year, we launched what we call the team of business consulting and architecture. So we're moving away from transactional product push to more strategic engagement. No? We created a framework. No? Gumawa kami ng framework to understand what is the current state of the business ng mga kliyente namin. Okay? We created a framework to fully understand ano yung aspirations nila and what are the impact of these problems. Because at the end of the day, what we wanted is to provide value to our clients. So this is what we're doing. Okay. In Globe, this is not about having, depends on our client, big or small. We became the architect, okay, to make sure that there will be a holistic in terms of customer success. Kanina, when we talk about AI, so we have established our STT data center in Quezon City that is able to accommodate 125 megawatts. Okay? 100% renewable energy. When there are clients that is moving or adopting AI, we teach them that AI is not about a technology race. You have to understand kung nasan yung adoption mo. So, are you on transformer, path seeker? Because at the end of the day, we don't want these clients to fall on the underachiever, wherein they acquired the technology but did not have the desired output. When we talk about cybersecurity, okay, this is not about just buying the technology, but we teach them on how they will map their capabilities against the kill chain. So this is what consulting is doing in terms of our clients.